Hey guys, my name is Kalila or Callie and welcome to a random vlog. Okay, so I got my hair done this week and then I did Kahila's hair, handmade with K. Now my younger sister Malika, aka Mr. Robin, is getting her hair done by my mom and we want to do the Korshavn sweater together. So we're gonna start that on Wednesday. Today is Monday, which means I have 2 days, today and tomorrow, where I'm not doing anything. That is a problem, okay? Because I want to start on the Korshavn right now, but I don't want to start without my sisters. So I grabbed Kahila's WIP, the Never sweater, a pattern by me. I forgot I made that pattern, bro. But yes, I grabbed the Never sweater and I was knitting on the body of this sweater while I was getting my hair done. I did about 4 inches of it and Kahila needed 6 inches left, so she only has to do like 2.5 inches after this, which yay for her, because yeah, this is what I got done while I was getting my hair done. And now I didn't think I would end up back on this project because I thought I would be starting the Korshavn, but that's okay because I'm just going to pick up the, whoa, this is a big sleeve. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the stitches and knit a sleeve for her. I want to try and finish a sleeve, but you know, it's okay if I don't by tomorrow, or I guess by Wednesday, since the rest of today, bro, sorry I keep flicking my hair, there's hair in my eye. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna try to at least get halfway through or finish a sleeve. I really love knitting sleeves, so I feel like I'm gonna zoom through it. I already have the needles here to get through it, and I'm so excited, especially since this is a very random vlog and I have already finished my Ava cardigan. It's currently blocking. You would have already seen the blocking video of that and the end result, so I'm just like, I need to knit. So I'm gonna knit this. I need to actually finish editing day 10. I was so exhausted. I went to bed basically 5 a.m. the other day and finishing Kahila's hair, and I was just like, I need to sleep. Sorry, I cannot edit day 10, so I'm gonna put up day 10 today, a little later than usual. I'm skipping the day of posting. But that's okay because, oh my gosh, I have so much content coming. But anyway, random vlog. Let's get this done. Let's see what I can get done. I'll be putting stitch markers so that I can track my progress. And I'm just ready to get started. Okay, it's like 10:30 p.m. almost, and this is the progress that I have done for this sleeve. I took a lot of breaks. Okay, I took a lot of breaks. But this sweater is huge. Do not ask me why I designed a sweater this big. I was out of my mind, okay? So, anyway, this is what I have so far. And I'm close to halfway through. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 more decreases after this decrease. Did I decrease here? Yes. I have 4 more decreases to do after this decrease before I am halfway through all of the decreases. And you know, as you decrease more, the faster you go because the less stitches you have. So I think that's very exciting. I want to get to halfway through the decreases. I'm acting like this is my project. This ain't even mine. But listen, once I'm knitting, I have to set a goal. I have to set a goal. I can't just knit aimlessly, okay? So my goal, get halfway through this sleeve before I go to bed. And then tomorrow, since I don't have anything to knit, okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish like my blocking video if my cardigan is dry enough, because I think it probably will be, and if not, I'll just like flip it over. And yeah, so if that doesn't happen and I just flip it over and let it dry like that, I'm going to spend the rest of the time getting the rest of the decreases done on this, and potentially the ribbing. I think it would be really cool if I could finish this sleeve tomorrow, so that when my sister picks this back up, all she has to do is finish the rest of the body and then one sleeve. Like, that's good. That's really good. So I'm gonna continue, and we're gonna see how things go for the rest of the night. It's been pretty easy doing the decreases. I was distracted because I was on the phone, so, and I took a break to eat and everything, but now that I'm off the phone and I'm just like in the zone, I feel like I can really zoom through this. I think I could finish this in like an hour, so let's see what happens. It is 11:53 p.m. and I made it to halfway through the decreases of the sleeve, which this is some good progress. Look at this. This kind of looks like the Milky Way or something. It's so cosmic. I love that with hand-dyed yarn. Yeah, so these are the decrease rates. This is my pattern, so I could show you. These are the decrease rates, these are the decreases I've done, and then the decreases I have left. And then after that, I have to do 42 rounds. And if I got through 48 rounds today, oh god, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. So I have like 44 more rounds of the decreases, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's 44, obviously it's 11. So 11 decreases, but 44 rounds. And then I did 48 rounds today, and I started knitting midday, okay? Like beyond 12 p.m. midday. When I think of midday, I think of like 3 p.m. So that's when I started knitting, and I got 48 rounds done. And now that it's smaller, I have 44 rounds left, and then 42 rounds after that. Oh, I'm finishing this for sure. Okay, so anyway, that's all that I have for now. I want to go to sleep. Okay, because I want to read. I've been reading my low-key fanfic. Well, it's not my fanfic, but it's a fanfic that I'm reading, you know? So I'm gonna read that and go to sleep. But I'm very happy with this progress. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello, I haven't done anything talking wise because I ended up getting my hair retouched up, so I spent hours just knitting on Kayla's sweater, but also not really, I just recorded a few bits and bobs here, you know. So what I did do was finish the decreases. It's not the sleeve. I did finish the decreases. And, bro, this sleeve is so long. So I finished the decreases, and I also did about 20 rows or rounds after. I think I'm at 19. Let me see. I need to find my row counter. Yes, I'm on 19, which honestly I feel like it should just stay at this point because the sleeve is already long enough. I need this for my project. Yeah, I feel like the sleeve is long enough, but I think that's good enough progress, especially since I literally started the sleeve yesterday and I didn't start knitting this until midday. So I'm gonna finish. I'm done knitting for today. I know it's such an abrupt ending, But, you know, sometimes that's just how things are. I want to give her some other needle stitch stoppers because I want these, my little frogs. They're cute. So I'm gonna give her something else that I don't care about. Let's see. Maybe these. Can this fit on there? Oh, it's too big. Let's see. Maybe I'll give these generic ones. Keep my frogs. Keep my frogs. Did I put the other frog in here? Yes, I did. My dad gave me these. So, she can have these. Oh, perfect. And that's it for this very random vlog. I don't even know if this was... I don't even know what went on in this vlog. I'm gonna be honest. I feel like I just talked about something, did it, and then boom, bam. That's it. This is the sleeve. I think it should be cut short. I don't know what I was thinking when I was doing mine. My pattern, don't listen to. Just adjust things the way you want them to be adjusted when it comes to patterns. Especially mine, okay? So anyway, that's all that I have for this video. I'm going to start the core shelving sweater tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, okay? It's going to be a fun challenge with my sisters. The daily vlogs will be back. My cardigan finished blocking, and I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. But, I mean, you guys already saw it in the blocking video at this point. I haven't filmed it yet, so technically it's early, but look at this flow. Look at this. Let me put it on. Boom. Bam. Oh my god. Look at this. I'm gonna wear this outfit tomorrow. Like, I just sat in the house all day with this outfit. I probably wore this yesterday as well. Guess what? I actually have to go out tomorrow, so it's gonna have a third day out. Look at the flow. Look at the flow. The flow. Look at the sleeves. They go like this. Oh, they're perfect. I don't have any buttons chosen yet. I'm not really a closed cardigan button gal, but I will search for some. And when I do find some, I'll make a video of me going button shopping if I do that. Okay? Anyway, that's my sister. Goodbye and good night. That's my dad. Have a good night.